Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today's video is a very super special because we are celebrating Earth Day. The day we come together to say thank you to our beautiful planet and promise to take care of it for years to come. So today we'll be discussing an essay over it. So let's get right into it. Earth Day. Let's be friends with our planet. Every year on April 22nd, people all around the world come together to celebrate a very important day, Earth Day. It's a special time to say thank you to our beautiful planet and promise to take good care of it. Our Earth is like a giant home. It has blue oceans, tall mountains, green forests, pretty flowers, and amazing animals. It gives us fresh air to breathe, tasty food to eat, clean water to drink, and fun places to play. Earth is truly magical. But sometimes people forget to be kind to the earth. They throw garbage on the ground, cut down too many trees, use too much plastic, and pollute the air and water. This makes the earth feel tired and sad. That's why we need Earth Day to remind everyone how special our planet is and how we can help it stay happy and healthy. What happens on Earth Day? On Earth Day, children and adults all over the world do good things for the planet like planting trees, cleaning up parks and beaches, riding bikes instead of using cars, learning about animals, recycling, and saving water. Even small actions can make a big difference. What can kids like you do? You don't have to be a grown up to help the earth. You can be a little earth hero. Here are some fun ways to help the planet Earth. Turn off the lights when you leave a room. Use both sides of your paper when drawing or writing. Say no to plastic bags and bottles. Use reusable ones. Don't waste water. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Pick up litter when you see it with an adult's help. Plant flowers or veggies in your garden or in a pot. Be an earth superhero. Now imagine wearing a cape and flying around to clean the air, save animals, and protect forests. Guess what? You can do that with your smart choices and kind actions. Every time you help the earth, you become its superhero. So, this April 22nd, wear something green or blue, plant a seed, smile at the sun, and shout out loud and proud. Happy Earth Day! I promise to love and care for my planet every day. Thank you for watching, and remember, every little action counts. Stay kind to Earth, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye for now. Take care.